Hello student, we saw 18 formulas which are related to differentiation and one note e raised to log x is equal to x. Now we will start product formula and quotient or division formula. See, product formula, product means the terms which are in product form and we have to differentiate. Clear? So d by dx fx into gx. That means we have given two terms which are in product form. So this is fx is first function and gx is second function. So formula is first function. Learn in this way. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. क्लियर? मतलब दो फंक्शन दिए रहेंगे तो आपको दोनों फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन करना है, लेकिन एक साथ नहीं. पहले जिसका करेंगे तो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में होगा, फिर दूसरे को रखेंगे ऐसे ही, पहले वाले का फिर डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे. मतलब बारी बारी से दोनों का क्या करना है आपको, डिफरेंशिएशन. d बाई डी एक्स, ये तो कितने फंक्शन थे बेटा, दो फंक्शन. अब एफ एक्स अपॉन जी एक्स. ओके, देयर आर टू फंक्शंस विच आर इन क्वेश्चन फॉर्म. दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर, जैसे हमने इसको फर्स्ट और सेकेंड डाला वैसे इसको आप न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर, जल्दी लर्न हो जाएगा. फॉर्मूला इज डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर होल स्क्वायर. Okay, so fx upon gx, gx is denominator, fx is numerator. So denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Okay, now in first formula, this is formula number 20 and this is 21. Okay, in formula number 20 there are two terms which are in product form. Suppose we have three terms in product form, there is a formula for this also. So d by dx u v w, that means u is equal to fx, v is equal to gx and w is equal to hx. Okay, so we have given three terms which are in product form. So d by dx u v w, same pattern. First of all, find differentiation of u. So rest to v and w, they are in product form. So vw d by dx u. Clear? Plus now we have to differentiate v. So u and w are as it is. So u w d by dx v. Clear? And last we have to differentiate w. So u and v are as it is. U v d by dx w. So this is the formula for three terms when they are in product form. Okay, useful for a competitive exam. Clear? Now we'll start some questions which are related to product or division. Okay, see the question. Question number 1. d by dx 2 sin x into log x. We have given two terms which are in product form and we have to differentiate. Now see beta, 2 is constant. So we have given dy dx to sin x log x. 2 is constant. So 2 is outside. Now we have dy dx sin x into log x. Now sin x is first function, log x is second function. Apply product rule. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So 2 in big bracket, apply the formula, first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Now 2 inside, differentiation of log x, differentiation of log x. Sin x is as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x is as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, so differentiation of 2 sin x log x is 2 sin x, we can write in this way, 2 sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. So in mathematics, if we know the formulas, then we can solve the questions. Yes, we know the formula of product rule, we know the differentiation of sin x, we know the differentiation of log x, so you can do easily. See another question. Question number 2. D by dx e raised to x upon x. D by dx e raised to x upon x. Now which formula we have to apply? Formula number 21. This is numerator and this is denominator. We know the formula, e raised to x upon x. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So what is the formula? Denominator, this is denominator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator, differentiation of denominator upon denominator square. Denominator is x, so x square. Yes, we know the differentiation of e raised to x, differentiation of e raised to x, exponential series, e raised to x minus e raised to x. Now differentiation of x, 1 into 1 upon x square. So we have x e raised to x minus e raised to x upon x square. Now we can take e raised to x as common. So inside x minus 1, we took e raised to x as common, so inside there is 1 upon x square. So this is the differentiation of e raised to x upon x. Clear? So first question is related to product formula, second question is related to division formula. Okay, now see some questions. Question number 3rd. So question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is d by dx x raised to 7 log base a x. This is 3rd question. Okay. So in this question we have to apply product rule because they are in product form. D by dx x raised to 7 into log base a x. So x raised to 7 is first function, log base ax is second function. So apply product rule. Formula is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Okay, differentiation of log base ax, yes, we know differentiation of log base ax 1 upon x log base ae, and differentiation of x raised to 7 x raised to 6. Now see, 1x cancel, so we have x raised to 6 log base ae plus log base ax into 7x raised to 6. Now we can take x raised to 6 as common. So x raised to 6 as common. So log base ae plus 7 log base ax. This is the answer. Okay, simple. Differentiation of x raised to 7 is 7x raised to 6, and differentiation of log base ax is 1 upon x log base ae. Clear? Now see next question. Question number 4. X cube plus x raised to 4 This is question number 3rd. Now see question number 4th. D by dx x cube plus x raised to 4 e raised to x log x. Now to solve this question we have two methods. First method is apply formula number 20, and second method is apply formula number 22. So formula number 22 is easy for this question. So x cube plus x raised to 4 e raised to x log x. How many terms? There are 3 terms which are in product form. So take x cube plus x raised to 4 as first function, e raised to x as second function, and log x as third function. U, V, W. U, V, W. Okay. So first is e raised to x log x and differentiation of first function x cube plus x raised to 4. Clear? Plus now first term and last term are as it is, differentiation of second term e raised to x plus first term, second term, and differentiation of third term, that means log x. See, VW differentiation of u, UW differentiation of v, UV differentiation of w. मतलब सबका बारी बारी से डिफरेंशिएशन करना. पहले इसका किए हमने, बाद में इसका किए, और लास्ट में log x का. जो बच गए उसको प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखते गए. ठीक. नाउ e raised to x log x, differentiation of x cube 3x square, sorry, d by dx x cube plus d by dx x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x raised to 4 log x, differentiation of e raised to x x cube plus x raised to 4 e raised to x, differentiation of log x 1 upon x. Now differentiation of x cube 3x square and differentiation of x raised to 4 4x cube plus as it is x cube plus x raised to 4 log x e raised to x plus, now see, taking x as common and this x is cancelled, so we can take x as common. So inside x square plus x cube e raised to x upon x, x cancel. Now e raised to x log x 3x square plus 4x cube plus x cube plus x raised to 4 log x e raised to x plus x square plus x cube e raised to x. Now we can take e raised to x log x as common from these two terms. So taking e raised to x log x as common, so inside 3x square plus 4x cube plus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus x square plus x cube e raised to x. Now 4x cube plus x cube 5x cube, so e raised to x log x 5x cube plus x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus x square plus x cube e raised to x. ओके, एक बार और देख लो, ये तीन टर्म्स दी हैं, हमने फॉर्मूला नंबर 22 यूज़ किया और 22 कैसे करते हैं, पहले का डिफरेंशिएशन बाकी बचे दो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में, फिर दूसरे का डिफरेंशिएशन बाकी जो बचे वो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में रहेंगे और फिर लास्ट में तीसरे का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो बचे दो वो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में होते हैं. ओके, सो हमने ये फार्मूला लगाया यू वी डब्ल्यू का और सबका हमने अलग अलग क्या कर दिया, डिफरेंशिएशन. फिर यहाँ से x क्या निकल रहा था कॉमन, तो x से x क्या हो गया, कैंसिल भी हो गया. और फिर इसके बाद e रेस टू एक्स लॉग एक्स ई रेस टू एक्स लॉग एक्स क्या ले लिया हमने, कॉमन. पहले इसको लिख लिया प्लस बाद में इसको लिख लिया. फिर 4x क्यूब प्लस एक्स क्यूब क्या हो गया 5x क्यूब और ये हो गया x रेस टू 4 प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस ये एज इट इज़, तो ये हो गया आंसर. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 d दिस इज e रेस टू x, हाँ e रेस टू x sin x plus x raised to p cos x. So this is the question. Now in this question we have given two terms and in two terms are in product form. That means we have to apply product formula two times in e raised to x sin x and also x raised to p into cos x. Clear? So d by dx e raised to x sin x plus x raised to p cos x. See, e raised to x is first function, sin x is second function. Similarly, x raised to p is first function, cos x is second function. So write in this way, d by dx e raised to x sin x plus d by dx x raised to p cos x first second. Clear? Now apply the formula. Formula is first function differentiation of second function. Clear? Plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Formula plus first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Differentiation of sin x is, yes, we know differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. So sin x e raised to x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x, and differentiation of x raised to p, formula number 1, p x raised to p minus 1 and x raised to n minus 1. Okay, now we can take e raised to x as common, so inside cos x plus sin x plus x raised plus minus minus x raised to p sin x plus p x raised to p minus 1 into cos x. Okay, so we can take x raised to p as common. It is not necessary to take x raised to p as common. So this is the answer. Okay, so in this question we have given two terms and terms are in product form. So we have to apply product form formula 2 times. Okay, now see next question. Question number 6. D by dx cos x upon log x. D by dx cos x upon log x. Okay, so cos x is numerator and log x is denominator. Okay, so apply the formula. Yes, we know starts from denominator. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Denominator whole square. Clear? Now simple, denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator square. Clear? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this is minus sin and sin x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. 1 upon x upon log x whole square. Now we can take minus sin as common. So our answer is inside log x sin x plus cos x upon x log x whole square. So differentiation of cos x upon log x is minus log x sin x plus cos x upon x whole upon log x whole square. Clear? So this is question number 6. Now see question number 7. Question number 7. D by dx tan x plus cot x upon log x. D by dx tan x plus cot x upon log x. Okay. Again, this is numerator and this is denominator. So first apply divide rule. So tan x plus cot x upon log x. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So apply the formula. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Clear? Okay. Now log x, yes, now we have to differentiate these two terms. Differentiation of tan x sec square x and differentiation of cot x minus cosec square x minus tan x plus cot x. Differentiation of log x 1 upon x upon log x whole square. This is the answer. Now you can take LCM also. It is not necessary. So differentiation of tan x plus cot x upon log x. तो पहले आप डिवाइड रूल लगाओगे, उसके बाद फिर डिवाइड रूल में tan x plus cot x का क्या करोगे आप? डिफरेंशिएशन. सो tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन sec स्क्वायर x और cot x का क्या होता है? माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर x और log x का होता है 1 अपॉन x. मतलब आपको फॉर्मूला लगाना है, और फॉर्मूला अगर आपको मालूम है तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं है कि जो सॉल्व ना हो. सॉल्व तो होगा ही. ओके. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. d by dx x upon x square plus a square. In last question there are two terms in numerator and one term in denominator. In this question one term is in numerator and two terms are in denominator. Again apply divide rule. d by dx x upon x square plus a square. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So apply the formula. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator whole square. Now differentiation of x 1, differentiation of x square 2x. A is constant, so differentiation of a square is 0. A is constant and 2 is also constant. We know the differentiation of a raised to x, not a raised to 2, in which a is constant, x is variable. A is constant, 2 is constant, so the whole quantity is constant and differentiation of constant is 0. So differentiation of x is x square plus a square as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 minus x. Now differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of a square is 0 upon x square plus a square whole square. Clear? Now x square plus a square minus multiply by this x minus plus minus x into 2x 2x square and this is 0 upon x square plus a square whole square. Now a square x square minus 2x square minus x square upon x square plus a square whole square. Okay, so differentiation of x upon x square plus a square is a square minus x square upon x square plus a square whole square. Okay, so these are the question. Just practice and do regularly. Okay, thank you.